How to fix Zoho CRM mail sync problems. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Make sure that you are logged in with your account first. Now, in order to fix the Zoho mail sync problems, you need to go to the settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom left, you can see the settings icon. Tap on this. Now, on the left hand side, you can see different setting menus. Scroll down, and here in this channel section, you can see the email option. Tap on this. Now you will be taken to this email configuration page. Head over to this email tab over here. Select get started. You can integrate the popular mail services from here. Let's say Gmail. You can configure it. After you configure the email integration, over here you can see this email sharing settings. It is selected to private only me. So if you tap on it, select this as public. If you go further to this email sharing tab at the top, you can see the users with the email sharing permissions. You can even configure them. You can change their sharing settings to private or public. That's how you can easily fix Zoho CRM mail sync problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.